Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well today. I'm about to take you with me on one of my favorite things, a sale at a garden center. Up to 70% off at this garden center. I mean, this is one of those little pop-up garden centers. They're not here permanently, so they've reduced most of their plants by half. Some of them are up to 70% off. And I mean, these plants are so healthy. A lot of them are in 1 and 2 gallon containers, full of blooms, brands that we recognize, a lot of proven winners here. And they are so well taken care of. I was just in awe. I just loved this place. I just was going out of my mind. And I've never stumbled on this place before. They had everything you could want here. They had vegetables, starts, they had flowers, they had trees, they had shrubs. Just look at those beautiful lilies just about to pop open. So beautiful. You can see in the bottom right corner there, that beautiful white astilbe. I was so tempted. Because I do want a white astilbe. And a lot of these lilies here, the daylilies, have their spikes up about to bloom. Now here, oh my goodness, they had such a beautiful variety of heucheras or coral bells. It's very healthy. For sure, if you buy these and transplant them into your garden, they would do well. And I believe these were on for half price, so they were about $10, $9.99. But I do have a lot of heucheras in my garden, so I passed on those. And I do have quite a few lilies. I didn't want to put any more lilies without knowing what the colors were. But these here, these flats of wax begonias were only $5 and $7.50 for the whole flat, if you could believe that. Now here they have a beautiful array of proven winners shrubs. So many nice varieties of shrubs, and some of them were in bloom. So these are some spireas that they had, candy corn I think they were called, for $20. Beautiful shrubs. Wow. And the evergreens, they had boxwoods, euonymus. They even had a section with garden supplies. And I'm telling you, I was so tempted. This was a whole section of indoor plants, ferns, begonias for inside, spider plants, everything. Just gorgeous. These elephant ears, oh my goodness. They were just so healthy, but I have a few elephant ears that I started, or else I would have just snatched some of these up. But I want to wait on mine that are in the garden. So this is my haul, guys. I spent a grand total of about $68, and that's good. Just a few little plants, nothing major. So I'm back home, and this is a lot of the plants that I bought today, or most of the plants I bought today, as well as some that I have started from my winter sowing. And I have a lot of plants to put out into the garden. But I'm keeping them healthy and alive and well watered. So grab your favorite mug and a cup of tea or coffee, and I'm going to go through a few of them. So most of these are perennial starts. So we'll start off here with one of my favorite grasses, of course, purple fountain grass. These are great in containers, but you can also put them in your landscape. Now this little plant is called pulmonaria or lungwort. Blooms in the spring, little blue and pink flowers. They like shade. Love the leaves on these. I picked up some blue sage just to have a pop of color in the garden. Tiny little plant, but it'll grow up nicely. And the sea thrift, I've never grown this one before. It likes full sun, and I love the little the little white round flowers that they give off. Now this is Lady Godiva calendula. It's a hybrid calendula, and they breed kind of on a smaller stem. They're a little shorter than the regular calendula that's quite long. And this is heated up yellow gaillardia. Now I have some of this different variety and I'm really happy with those. So I was glad to find this. And I have some more basil here. I have some that I winter sowed. Some bright lights red osteospermum. Now that's a mouthful. Don't have too many red flowers, so this will go great in my garden. And this is another osteospermum, but it's a yellow, pale yellow. And of course, classic Rudbeckia or black-eyed Susan. Can't have too many of those. Healthy, really healthy start. And these are some hollyhocks. I don't have any hollyhocks in my garden, so I figured I'd try out with these. I believe these are biennial. I picked up some more dianthus because my little patch seems to be fizzling out in the back end there. And I have some echinacea. And here we have some English lavender. I love English lavender. And here I have picked up some peppers, some hot peppers from Proven Winners. We'll see how those turn out. And my favorite, this is a Persian Shield. I love the purple foliage on that. And of course, I had to pick up these Supertunia jazzberries for some of my containers. They're a little leggy, just need a little bit of pruning on them, but they'll do fine. And I found this white echinacea. Don't have any of those, so I thought that would be good. And the Ipomoea or sweet potato vine. Now this cute little thing is a sweet woodruff. So I figured I'd tuck it into a little shade-loving area. Looks quite healthy. And of course, some yarrow. I don't have any yarrow in my garden, and I really love this pink one. So I'll definitely find a lovely spot for that. And these beautiful angelonias, the purple ones. I've had these before and they've done very well. And I've picked up a few more foxgloves. I do have some of my own that are coming back though. But I figured I really like them, so I can tuck these in the back somewhere. And of course, these beautiful cordyline, perfect for my containers. And these sweet little poppies, Iceland poppies. They're already sending up some flower stalks, so I look forward to those. And a few little mini roses. And of course, this Oh So Easy rose. It's a landscape rose. Already had blooms on it, and I picked this up for $10. Same with this one. This one's called Cupid Kiss. It's not a Proven Winners. It's a climbing rose. Also $10. Now I had to replace some of the roses in my garden, but that's okay. I guess it comes with the territory. Now I did buy a couple flats of those begonias just to tuck in here and there for pops of colors and some impatiens. So that's about it for my haul. Now this is a container that we had that I'm using to kind of house all my plants. I just put a little bit of water in there. And they've been doing great so far. So I have a lot of planting to do, so you'll see where these plants end up in the garden over the next couple weeks. So that's it for now. Hope everybody's having a great day.